Dark chocolate pecan squares are delicious with a pie crust base and a chocolate and pecan filling. Just like a pecan pie, only simpler to make. First, assemble the ingredients. For the filling, toast 2 cups pecans at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Toasting nuts enhances their flavor. For the crust, add 1/2 teaspoon salt to 1 1/3 cups Robin Hood all-purpose flour made from 100% Canadian wheat. To measure flour, spoon it into the measuring cup and use a flat edge to level it off. With a pastry blender, mix in 1/2 cup chilled Crisco shortening, cut into 1/2 inch cubes. When it's done, the mixture will look like coarse crumbs with small pea-sized pieces. Sprinkle in 3 tablespoons ice-cold water. Use a fork to mix everything together evenly. Add up to 3 more tablespoons of ice-cold water, one at a time, until the dough holds together. Using chilled shortening and ice-cold water is the key to achieving a nice flaky pastry. Gather dough into a ball. Flatten it into a disc shape and seal in plastic wrap. Chill for 30 minutes or up to 2 days. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll the dough on a lightly floured surface to form a 14-inch square. Fold it in half and in quarters, and transfer to a 9-inch by 9-inch square baking dish. Unfold the dough, and if it tears, just patch it back together. Trim edges and tuck them in so the dough comes to about 3/4 of the way up. In a double boiler, or microwave, melt 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Then spread the melted chocolate over the dough. Refrigerate to set. For the filling, whisk together 3 eggs, 1/2 cup packed dark brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk in 3/4 cup corn syrup. Stir in 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. When the chocolate is set, sprinkle toasted pecans over top. Pour the filling over the pecans and pat everything lightly so it's even. Bake for 50 minutes until filling is puffed. Dark chocolate pecan squares are an outstanding dessert. And another great idea from Simply Homemade.